Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Amazon favorites kids edition. So I'm going to show you all the things that I purchased on Amazon that I got for my kids and the things that I love and I would totally recommend to anyone. The first thing that I want to talk about is hair products for girls. So I have a very, how do I say it? I don't know if any of you parents out there deal with a daughter that's very particular about what she puts in her hair. Abby's all about comfort, so I kind of had to figure out what type of things, because I still wanted her to look cute and I still wanted to put little things in her hair. So I found a lot of good things on Amazon. First thing I want to show you is Abby was going through a phase where she just wanted to wear a ponytail. She didn't want to do anything else to her hair. Like, I couldn't do braids, I couldn't do anything. All she wanted to do was have a ponytail, which can be kind of boring, you know, especially like someone like me that likes to kind of like do her hair and put things in it and just be really creative. I ended up getting these little hair ties with bunnies on them. Aren't these adorable? And these stretch and they're not super tight. They're very comfortable, which, you know, Abby's all about. And it comes in pink, gray, and white. So I just thought that these were so adorable, and Abby really likes these. Every time she puts her hair in a ponytail, she'll grab one of these little bunnies. They're so cute and adorable. They have different kinds. I think they have like little kittens. I think there's different animals, not just bunnies. So you can choose what you want. And that set also comes with clips, which are really cute. So sometimes she likes to put her hair in a bun. I could just put a little bunny there. And I love these to death. The next product that I want to share with you guys, I was super excited when I found it because Abby doesn't like to wear headbands, and I understand because they do hurt after a while behind your ears. But you know, I couldn't put on the little cute headbands that had little ears and stuff, and I ended up finding these on Amazon, which are perfect. They're little ears, but they come in clips, and they come in a lot of different cute colors, like this one here, which is gray and gold. So I love these because I can do like little space buns like how I have now, and then I could put the little ears for her, or you know, 2 ponytails with the little ears. They're comfortable, like I said, they're not gonna hurt her. And I love the glitter on the inside. Like, I mean, come on, I can't even want to wear these right now. I'll put these on for myself. So, and she's gotten a lot of compliments on those. So the next thing up in hair accessories are clips. So they have a lot of cute little clips. I have these little flowers here. So you can see they're super tiny. I could dress up Abby's hair, even if she's just wearing a little ponytail. I could put these little clips in her hair and kind of, you know, decorate her hair that way. And they're comfortable, they're not too tight, and you can see that they're so cute. They're little flowers. And I even use these for Delilah, my dog. Delilah always has a little ponytail, so I even use one of these just to put in the center, and it just makes it look so cute. These are little bunnies. They're a little bit bigger, so you can see here. These are like kind of, if you put little ponytails, you stick those in there. They come in a lot of different cute colors. We have blue, we have yellow, turquoise. I really love this lilac color. Another thing that I wanted to mention really quickly are these little hair ties that I got. The first time I ordered these, I ordered a bag just like this one that was clear. I ordered those when Abby was a baby. So that kind of gives you an idea of how long this bag will last you. She is 8 years old and I barely ordered this. This is the new one. And I got rainbow this time, which is a lot more fun. And this bag is gonna last you forever, like I just said. And the bands inside are strong, because I've had some of these little like plasticky ones before, but when you're tying their hair, they just snap and break. These are strong enough and they're still gentle at the same time, if that makes any sense. Well, now I got the rainbow one just because I can do a look, and I can tie her hair using yellow, pink, green, going down, and then do a rainbow that way. Because like I said, Abby doesn't really like a lot of stuff in her hair. So any way I can jazz it up, that's what I'm gonna do. The next thing I ordered is this. And this is a mister. So I put water in there, obviously. I guess you could put like a detangling spray if you want. I just use water. and I mist it over their head when I do their hair. So instead of using a spray bottle and spraying them, and they would always complain, like they would always flinch and, oh, it's cold. And now using this, I just spray it. I kind of want to spray it so you guys can see. So ready? Woo, see? It just has a nice mist, and you can do like a continuous mist. And it just makes it a lot easier to brush their hair. You get a little bit of water going just to get the little frizzies out. So now I have my son Tristan here, and I wanted to show you guys this really cute volcano that I got for him for his birthday. He really likes dinosaurs, and I found this on Amazon, and I thought it was so cute. It's a volcano, and then we open it, and on the inside it has all the little dinosaurs in there. So Tristan, do you like this toy?
I like all of them.
Why do you like this?
It's like I get to take it wherever I want. Also,
1 hour later.
you do this,
You zip it up.
and you zip it up like this. Also, all of them are my favorite, but this one is my best. But this
Okay,
one,
show them what it is. Put it up to the camera. What's that one?
this one is a Triceratops. I know this. I don't know this one.
That one I think is a Dimetrodon or Dimetrodon or something like that.
It's called a Dimetrodon. This one is a Stegosaurus.
And then that one.
This one is a T-Rex.
So he has this in his room, and then whenever he wants to play with us, or he wants to be in the living room with me and Adrian, he just brings it over, he opens it up, he plays with it, and then when he's done, he puts them back and takes it back to the room, so it's super easy.
I do this.
Bless you. Bless you.
Hi guys. Ooh, this is hot. I like it. I like it hot.
So the next thing that I want to share with you guys is something that I fell in love with. I ordered maybe 3 at first when they barely came out, and they're so good. If there's anything on this list that I would recommend, the top thing I would recommend is these books. They're by Brad Metzler, and so he has these children books, and they are all I Am books. So it's I Am Helen Keller. These are the ones that we have. We have Helen Keller.
I am Jane Goodall.
I Am Rosa Parks.
I am Lucy Ball.
Lucille Ball.
Lucy Ball. Yeah.
I Am Amelia Earhart. Albert Einstein. We have Albert Einstein.
I am Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. Jackie Robinson. Gandhi. And Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln.
So you can see here that I have already a really big collection, and they're always coming out with new people. I think right now there's a new one that you can pre-order with Walt Disney. So of course all the little boy ones are in Tristan's room, and the girl ones are in Abby's room, so they have something for everyone. And I really love these books because they're very inspirational. They're all true stories, and it has a really good message of overcoming obstacles and always achieving your dreams. And so Abby, out of your books, which one is your favorite?
My favorite would be...
Okay, so this one's your favorite. Why is Jane Goodall your favorite?
Because, so at the beginning, she has a little animal, and it's a chimpanzee. Yeah, chimpanzee, I remember that. And she's like, yay, I got one. And she started to love all the animals. And as you could see on the next page, it was kind of weird because like I didn't just love my toy chimpanzees, though I loved all animals, even the earthworms left I found in the garden. And as you could see here, she put it under her bed, I mean pillow.
So what did you learn from Jane Goodall's story?
I learned that she was the first one to experience and learn about chimpanzees. And they said girls weren't allowed to, but I'm like, okay, that's kind of rude, but that's how the old days were.
And what I also really love about these books is that the illustrator illustrates the person that it's about as a child, and they stay a child throughout the entire story. So I really like that because it just lets your child know it's more relatable, and they probably feel like they can accomplish everything because they see a child throughout the entire book. And at the end, they always show pictures of the actual person that they just read about, a timeline, and I just think that it's very inspirational for kids as well as adults, because some of these books I didn't really know the full story of each person, and yeah, they're really amazing stories. My favorite book out of all of these is I Am Helen Keller. This is my favorite, and I would recommend, this is my favorite book out of all these. The story is very, very good, and it's very inspirational. So thank you, Abby, for sharing your favorite book.
You're welcome.
Do you like those books?
Yeah.
Okay, so now go read all of them.
What?
The next thing I want to talk about is this really cute little sleep trainer called the Hippo. And you can see here, this is Abby's. It has the little pink feet. It also works as a clock, obviously, so they can have this. I have this one on Abby's desk, and Tristan has his on his nightstand. It has a lot of cute little features. It has for you to set the time. It has if you want your child to have an alarm if they have to wake up to go to school. It has a sleep wake, which I just explained what time you want your child to wake up, what time you want your child to go to bed. It has the sound, which is at night. This also works as a lullaby. You can put lullabies for your child, or you can put white noise to help them fall asleep. It has a light, which is like a night light that you could put. And then it also has a nap time, which could also be used for timeouts. So depending on if you want your child to go down for a nap, you can set like a little timer, or if you want to put your child in timeout, it also has a timer for that. And I got this because my kids, they really enjoy, they fall asleep a lot easier if they have something playing in the background, like some sort of noise, and they have a little bit of light. They're not scared because of the light, and then the light, the music distracts them and kind of puts them to sleep. So I got this because it has a timer. They were using their tablets before, but we would always have to go in and turn off the tablet. And so I got this because it has a timer for the lights and the music. So it's just 2 in 1. I use the alarm for Abby for going to school. You push this little button, that's how you turn the alarm off. So I think this is super helpful. My kids love it. And it has a battery on the inside, so for whatever reason, if your child accidentally unplugs it, everything is still saved. So right now I took it out of Abby's room, I plugged it in over here in the office, everything was saved. I don't have to reset everything because you can customize. And then just quickly, I'm going to show little photos of their rooms and the decor that I found on Amazon. When we bought the house and I was still at my in-laws, I was just searching Amazon looking for all the cute stuff that I can get for their rooms. And so I ordered Abby's comforter, some pillows, Tristan his comforter and his pillows, and I think they're so cute. Abby's room, her room is kind of like a dreamy unicorn room, and that's why I like the clouds. I thought they were super cute. They really remind me of Abby's personality, so I think their rooms are so cute. They were my favorite thing to do in this whole house. I was so excited to do their room. And that is it. Those are my picks for today. As you guys know, I will be doing more videos like this in the future because I'm always shopping on Amazon. And I hope you guys enjoyed my picks. I hope you found it helpful. As always, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit the little notification bell because that's what's going to notify you every time I upload a video. You'll get a text, an email, a notification on your phone. And as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.